What's up, guys? Welcome back. David Kim-MacKinnon here with eXp Realty, and today we're here at the Little Mountain, Vancouver's most anticipated neighborhood. And we're here at the presentation center. We're going to check out this project. I'm really excited to show you. Let's check it out. Today we're diving into one of Vancouver's most anticipated communities, Little Mountain by Holborn. This is more than just a new development, it's a rebirth of an iconic Vancouver neighborhood, designed right at the intersection of culture, nature, and lifestyle. Picture this, you're steps away from Queen Elizabeth Riley Park, Hillcrest Center, and the vibrant energy of Main Street. Michelin-starred dining, cozy coffee shops, boutique shopping, farmers markets, it's all right here, where the heart of the city meets the calm of nature. What makes Little Mountain special is the vision behind it. A true master plan community that feels connected, walkable, and alive. The very first release is Vessa, a limited collection of just 87 concrete homes ranging from 1 to 3 bedrooms. Designed by award-winning Canadian architect Arnaud Matisse. These homes take inspiration from the towering trees of the area, with architecture that's rooted in nature and built for growth. In fact, Vessa means sprout, a perfect symbol for a place where new chapters can flourish. This is your chance to own one of Vancouver's most coveted neighborhoods, where the vibrancy of Main Street flows into the beauty of Queen Elizabeth Park, and the community thrives in every corner. Little Mountain is setting a new standard for what it means to live in Vancouver.
So if you can imagine standing in one of our iconic forests with the tall tree trunks and the light filtering through, that was the inspiration for this new take on West Coast design. It's a really beautiful, special building. These curved copper cladding features will not only make the building sort of morph with the light as the light changes through the day, but those are each placed intentionally to increase privacy on outdoor spaces too. So every detail has been thought of. At Holborn, they like to say no stone left unturned, and you'll find that to be true when you see the finishes in our incredible Lisa building. So, SMAG built-in refrigerator, really easy to clean, nice fridge freezer. It's full with Sea Market cookies right now.
Amazing.
That's really great. Ventless backsplash. Remember I said in our earlier presentation that this material 200% more dense than a typical cabinet. That means come resale, you're not gonna have to replace the kitchen. This is gonna be easy to clean, lasts really well. Nice water resistant base under the sink. You've got the garbage built in. Nice metal reveals here so that it keeps easy to clean. Everything of course is soft close. We've got a 1-bedroom size dishwasher in here. Why don't most developers put a 1-bedroom size dishwasher? Because they're more expensive. So more expensive, but the right size for a home of this size for sure. SMAG dishwashers are nice and quiet, and they do have leak protection system, which will be great over the years for your Stratafies. This SMAG oven, beautiful, easy to clean. This glass comes right out for easy cleaning. It is no seams in here at all, so more efficient to operate, more even cooking, and easier to clean, of course. They're including as a gift this pizza stone with every oven, and it's not like a pizza stone you get at a hardware store. It is going to really transform this very much like an Italian pizza oven, which is really beautiful. Everything's soft close. You've got a really wonderful pantry, even in a 1-bedroom and den. Nice drawers. These are standard. Cool thing about Oron Cucine, they do have these wonderful customizations. Now, one of the standard features is that this plinth pulls off just like the bottom of an old, like regular refrigerator. You can pull it off, wash it, pop it back on. You want more storage? There's drawers that fit right under there that you can add really efficiently and affordably. King size bedroom. Notice the hardware on the pocket doors. There's beautiful brass, easy to use. Doors for bedrooms will be solid doors here, and so will the pockets. They'll be changed to solid. This banquette seating behind you here. Storage below, by around Puccini still. Nice storage doors below, storage above. You've got 3 colors to choose from. I like to joke that we've got the safe color, the chic color, and the exciting color. In the bathroom, there's some great things to talk about as well. So this can be adjusted up or down. If you want to add drawers, super easy to do. So look at this beautiful hardware system on these doors. Usually pocket doors have these terrible hardware pieces. These are really gorgeous.
Wow.
We did not use a floating vanity because we want to maximize storage. So you've got tons of storage here and here. You've also got a nice deep medicine chest.
Beautiful.
Sounds like it should be standard. We've included your shower rod. Plus you've got a handheld and a regular shower. That's all standard. Nice entranceway too, so that you can have a really great drop zone, right? You can put a nice little dresser, couple of hooks, a mirror. Really wonderful welcome home. Lots of room to store your shoes and your coats.
Whoa, I can hide in there.
You can hide in there. I learned so much from the SMEG rep and from Midland about this. So they really call it a clothing preservation system. A couple of things I didn't even think about before. A typical dryer bakes your clothes, basically fries them. It is really hard on the fabric, right? It's gonna wreck your clothes much faster. So a Ventless really draws that moisture out without baking them. So it's much easier on your clothing. What I didn't know, because it does take longer to dry, I always thought it was sucking energy like crazy. It's actually way easier on your pocketbook, like way easier on your pocketbook, because you're not creating this heat. You're just drawing moisture out. So I hadn't known that before. So yes, you do have to have a little bit more patience, but your trade-off is your clothing is saved and you're gonna save money. So what I recommend is running your clothes through an extra spin as soon as you're done your cycle. Just put one more spin before you put it in there. Sometimes a complaint from people is that they're loud because they have to leave their door open. You don't have to do that here because we've got this patented door system. So it's got a vent in it. You can close that up just fine. Now there's the other benefit in that you don't have those extra filters to clean. It's going to mean your building's safer. You're not going to have dryer fires, in the building. So there's some benefits to Ventless, but you have to have a little more patience. But the trade-off's worth it for sure. Now, up to 10-year warranty on the SMEG appliances, which is unheard of, I would say. I learned other things from them that applies to all washing machines, but good to share. I always thought if you put a smaller load, your clothes would get cleaner, right? It's not true. Fill it up because then there's more like abrasion against each other. And the best soap for any washing machine, powder, is way better than liquid, way better than pods. It's better for your machine, better for your clothes, and cheaper.
So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour at this project, the Little Mountain here in Vancouver. So if you want to know more information, contact the Align group. The information will be right there below. And follow me, like, comment, subscribe for more tours just like this. Peace.